Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom Balance Life. Achieving balance and harmony in life can often feel like a distant goal, but it doesn't have to be complicated. By making small, mindful changes, you can bring more peace and fulfillment into your daily routine. Here are 5 simple steps to help harmonize your life. 1. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of your mind and body is essential for maintaining balance. Self-care doesn't have to mean long spa days or extravagant treatments. It can be as simple as getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and practicing relaxation techniques. Spend a few minutes each day doing something that nourishes your soul, whether it's journaling, meditation, or going for a walk. 2. Set clear boundaries. One of the biggest stressors in life is overcommitting and not having clear boundaries. Whether it's with work, family, or friends, learning to say no when necessary allows you to protect your energy and focus on what matters most. Healthy boundaries create space for personal growth and make it easier to prioritize your well-being. 3. Declutter your environment. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Take time to organize your living and workspaces to create a calm, inviting atmosphere. Whether it's cleaning out your closet, organizing your desk, or simply reducing unnecessary distractions, a tidy environment can greatly improve your focus and mental clarity. 4. Practice gratitude. Taking a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for can have a profound impact on your mindset. Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, fostering positivity and contentment. Try keeping a gratitude journal and jot down 3 things you're thankful for every day. 5. Cultivate meaningful connections. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Strong, positive relationships contribute significantly to emotional well-being. Make an effort to nurture these connections, whether it's through quality time, thoughtful gestures, or simply listening. These relationships create a sense of belonging and deepen your sense of fulfillment. By integrating these 5 steps into your routine, you'll begin to notice more harmony, balance, and joy in your life. Remember, harmonizing your life is a journey, not a destination. Take it one step at a time.